until 4:45 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Seagrove, or 10 miles south of North Carolina Zoo, moving east at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Asheboro, Troy, Carthage, North Carolina Zoo, Siler City, East Bell, Goldston, Seagrove, Bradster, and Robbins. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Lee, Montgomery, Moore, and Randolph.